What's going on? Sooner or later, are you ready for this? Tell them who it is. I said, what's going on? Sooner or later, are you ready for this? Tell them who it is. What? Yeah, put your hands up, man up, look up, find out, cut through the rope, nope, not staying tied down. Gone for a minute, back on the grind now. Thought I was finished, not Jerry Seinfeld. Guess who, back to stay. Get more use out of class in a plastic bag. Mom's still looking at me like act your age, cause Friday and Saturday I'm on the track to blaze. I don't fascinate, I live it, that's it. I even bought a house off of writing rap shit. But don't get it twisted, I ain't that rich, cause I'm paying off the loan till I'm in a casket. Country boy, move out to the city life, back to the sticks with the family and mini bike. Ain't nothing changed, spit rhymes nicest. This game's giving me a midlife crisis.
Either get up, get back, get down, get with it. Come a little closer now, don't be timid. There's a movement happening here, boy.
Put 'em up.
There's a movement happening here, boy.
Put 'em up.
Either get up, get back, get down, get with it. Come a little closer now, don't be timid. There's a movement happening here, boy.
Keep 'em up.
There's a movement happening here, boy.
Yeah. This whole thing failed to amaze me since the 80s. This hip-hop thing basically raised me. That lately, everyone's gun is off safety. What happened to the culture? Breakers in the break beats. When I was 18, never cared to make green. I'd write rhymes, turn the stage out into a daydream. And nowadays it's all changing. Guess I'm growing up cause I wonder what the fuck are we raising? Used to be a culture, now it's all a hustle. Used to flex skills, now we flex biceps. I flip flows you ain't tried yet. Make you expect the unexpected. Sit and get your mindset. Culture shark, I talk the talk, and I'm a dying breed that's still trying to eat. I'm an MC first, always business last.